the voice of the cage.
I'm surprised.
Delhi, we are live! Ladies and gentlemen, good evening and welcome to a night of world-class mixed martial arts. Live from Siri Fort here in New Delhi, this is the Matrix Fight Night! Delhi, put your hands together for Rajesh Pujari!
राजेश पुजारी आज के पहले योद्धा केज की तरफ बढ़ते हुए इन्होंने 2023 में MFN कंटेंडर्स में अपना कॉन्ट्रैक्ट जीता था। आज अपना प्रो डेब्यू कर रहे हैं। उड़ीसा से आते हैं और इन्होंने अपनी इनिशियल ट्रेनिंग हैदराबाद में की थी और फिलहाल ये गुड़गांव के एक जिम में अपना कैंप करके आए हैं। बहुत ही स्ट्रॉन्ग खिलाड़ी हैं ये अर्जुन, और इनको मैंने MFN कंटेंडर्स में देखा था। ये एक ऐसे खिलाड़ी थे जिन्होंने 6 फाइटें खेली थी MFN कंटेंडर्स 2023 में, और आखिरी फाइट में ये मनोज यादव से हारे थे। हालांकि हार के बाद भी इनको कॉन्ट्रैक्ट दिया गया, बट आज इनके पास एक अपॉर्चुनिटी है अपनी पुरानी हार को जीत में बदलने का, क्योंकि ये पहले उनसे हार चुके हैं। Let's look at his keys to victory. He's back the contract at MFN contenders in 2023. He should be changing levels and he's very good with wrestling, and therefore he should go ahead and score the slam.
No, I mean, you know, it's always a great opportunity for a person making a debut in a big promotion. Opening the card is such an honor, Jason, in its own right. The pressure that hits on a fighter, even though he's coming off a loss, but he's still got the contract. He still gets a chance to represent himself on such a large scale. And I think that's amazing on the part of Aisha Shroff to give him that opportunity so young and so early. And opening the card, man.
Absolutely, Arjun. I couldn't agree with more with you, man. It's an absolute honor, and what these guys are doing is fantastic, giving the opportunity to these fighters to showcase to the world what Indian MMA has to offer.
And his opponent making his way to the cage, Manoj Yadav!
मनोज यादव दूसरे विजेता MFN कंटेंडर्स 2023 के, और इन्होंने फाइनल फाइट में सामना किया था मनोज यादव का और बहुत अच्छे से फाइट जीती थी। बरेली से आते हैं और काफ़ी टाइम से ये ट्रेनिंग कर रहे हैं उत्तराखंड के देहरादून में, और यहाँ पे इनकी कोशिश आज यही रहेगी कि ये ग्राउंड पे अच्छा खेल दिखाएं और पूरी कोशिश करें कि ये गेम एक ही तरफ से डोमिनेट किया जाए राजेश पुजारी के अगेंस्ट।
You know, when we talk about debutant, man, the sound in the arena. I can't even hear myself. Forget hearing you guys. But I'm just saying, for two debutants to take on one another is such a unique opportunity to show off their skill set in a new promotion. It becomes so important when fighters like Manoj Yadav, you know, he's going to be looking to use his striking, sprawl against his opponent who's a wrestler, but more importantly, take a stand and make a stamp on this first fight.
Well, after MFN contenders, his fight videos went viral and he's collected more than 60,000 Instagram followers. He's coming in from Bareilly and we've got a lot of supporters in attendance to support.
I mean, Jason, take a look at the supporters in the audience for this kid. It's his debut and he's already got fans.
No, that's amazing. Local fighters, the crowd, they're cheering, getting better and better. Like, the audience is growing for sure. And that's a huge thing about the sport now. People are actually starting to finally get it.
Exactly. I mean, the sport has become so educated. People have become so educated about the sport that they've started cheering guard passes instead of just knockouts. And that goes to show the reach of this organization in the Indian market is so significant, Rahul.
चलिए देखते हैं किस प्रकार से की जाती है दोनों ही फाइटर्स की तुलना। 23 वर्षीय राजेश पुजारी और इनका सामना हो रहा है 23 वर्षीय मनोज यादव से। मनोज यादव 6 सेंटीमीटर की रीच एडवांटेज, दोनों का वेट एकदम सेम और दोनों का स्टाइल है MMA।
For the final introductions, let's go to Jared Kyle.
Representing Odisha, give it up for Rajesh Pujari. And his opponent fighting out of the red corner. His weight 65.80 kilograms. Representing Uttar Pradesh, give it up for Manoj Yadav. Ladies and gentlemen, as the action begins, the referee for the fight, Jim Perdios.
Gentlemen, we've been at the rules. Protect yourself at all times. Obey my commands at all times. Touch gloves. Step back. Let's do it.
Here we go, bout number one. Welcome to Matrix Fight Night 16. Welcome to Surrey Fort, and welcome to Cage Fighting exclusively on Jio Hotstar. Rahul and Jason by my side. Fight number one out of 13. Let's go. Manoj Yadav taking on Rajesh Pujari in this featherweight contest as the crowd gets ready for this first contest.
Jim Perdios, third man in the cage. And let's get the fight fest started.
Manoj in the black and green trunks and Rajesh in the white.
Both fighters are taking their time, respecting each other's power.
And Manoj is built like a brick house.
Yeah, both these fighters in great shape. They're taking their time, trying to feel each other out.
That's the thing about carrying so much muscle. I wonder if he's ready to go all the 3 rounds. Each fight consists of 3 5-minute rounds, title fights and main events, possibly 5 5-minute rounds.
Yeah, these guys are looking to take their time. No one's rushing now, being very patient.
But that's the thing, you know, the sport has evolved so much where we see a lot of fighters making their debuts, even though they've got great amateur backgrounds now. But they're staying patient and the camps are improving. You can see from the way they're showing patience, they're listening to their corners, and it's really, really great. Every event that goes forward, you see growth.
For sure, nice kicks back and forth. Nice body shot there.
Very nice counter by Manoj.
That was a great body shot, put his opponent in check. Nice
Head kick.
Good block there.
Last time जब दोनों की bout हुई थी MFN का.
Oh! He knocked him down. Manoj Yadav ground and pound from top position. He's looking to end this fight in the first round. Big, big shots.
Well done. Great shot. Keeping composure. He's got to make sure he doesn't punch himself out here.
But man, Rajesh doing a good job scrambling from the bottom, gets back to his feet. We've got a fight on our hands, boys.
Yeah, great job by Rajesh. Weathered the storm. Made it back on his feet. Now he's got his opponent to get the cage.
Man, we're going to have to see a replay of the shot that hit him. I think it was a big overhand right.
These guys are doing some good grappling now. Nice underhook control. Trying to take him down.
He's got good control, but his opponent, Manoj, is pushing him up against the cage here. I think Rajesh has recovered at this point, and you can see him trying to establish the grappling game. He knows he doesn't want any of those hands.
बहुत ही बढ़िया प्रदर्शन यहाँ पे मनोज द्वारा नॉकडाउन किया राजेश को.
Manoj in the green black, but look at that. Rajesh now in top control. Takes over in half guard.
Very nice reversal there by Rajesh to switch the momentum of the fight. He's now got top control, side position.
And look at that, he might be looking for a mounting crucifix here as he starts going. He's in side control. He's got a heavy chest top game here. He's putting a lot of pressure on his opponent.
Yep, he's doing a good job keeping that top position, keeping that control. He did a very good job recovering from the amount of damage he took.
Oh, he's got the back. He's got the back.
Now he's got his back. He's ridden the back out. He's completely controlling his opponent here, but you can see Manoj nodding his head right at this corner.
He's doing a great job listening to his corner, telling him to control the hips, and he's exactly doing that. He's got the back control, pushing him against the fence. Let's see if he can take this further.
And his corner screaming instructions right next to us. And Manoj, though, does a good job of getting back to his feet, but he needs to get an underhook. And just as we said that, but you can see the strength difference between Rajesh and Manoj again, back, swinging for the fences.
Amazing fight. Both these fighters going back and forth. Now we're back at our feet standing. I love it.
What an excellent round it's been. Just
14, both these fighters reset. It feels like it's already been a round and a half, and it's only been 3.5 minutes.
Yeah, they started off pretty slow, but then they got pretty aggressive with the takedowns, the ground and pound, the back and forth. Now they're back on their feet once again, working their timing and their distance.
But Rajesh, remember we spoke about, sorry Jason, we spoke about Rajesh about one thing.
That overhand right, that's what landed again. That's the second time he's done it. He's faking it
now.
He's faking that under.
Man, both these guys are just swinging, and Manoj feels it.
No, he got rocked. That's a great shot. He basically fakes for the takedown and then goes for a straight overhand right. Amazing combo.
And you can see Rajesh, though, all that muscle he's carrying, he's starting to breathe a little heavy. His hands a little heavy. I'm not trying to quote Eminem here, but it seems to be happening.
But he's got a chin on him, man. He's been rocked this fight more than a couple times, and he's still standing
And the
strong.
shots he took on the ground were insane. But Manoj as well, he showed some great composure, knew when to pull back, and looks like this fight is most likely going to go to the second round unless he manages to stun him with a knockout.
Yeah, that was a beautiful back and forth round. Started off kind of slow, but then they just exploded like firecrackers. And now let's see how this round goes.
Incredible start to Matrix Fight Night 16.
Wow, what back and forth action, amazing.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, that was round number 1. बहुत ही अच्छी फाइट यहाँ पे राजेश और मनोज के बीच में. इन दोनों की पहले भिड़ंत हो चुकी है MFN कंटेंडर्स में, और वहाँ पे भी हमें यही देखने को मिला. मनोज की अग्रेसिव स्ट्राइकिंग और राजेश का बहुत बढ़िया ग्राउंड गेम. ये देखिए एक्शन रील पे, यहाँ पे राइट हैंड लगा राजेश को और राजेश नीचे गए और ऊपर से धुआंधार मुक्कों की बरसात करते हुए मनोज यादव.
I love that word, धुआंधार. But yes, it was precisely that.
How else would you translate relentless striking to
I
Hindi?
can't. Bhai, Hindi is your forte, man. I speak Hindi, but hum Mumbai wale don't speak Hindi as well as you guys do. But coming back to the fight, that ground and pound was what set the tone. You could see it took a lot out of Rajesh. He got hurt on the ground, but he kept his composure, came back, rallied back, showed off his grappling, got control, and then it's been a back and forth chess match.
Definitely, man. Some heavy hands thrown, some good takedowns, good reversals, very good skills shown by both fighters. I'm excited to see the second round.
I mean, if you're new to the sport, this is the best way you can introduce someone to the sport. You saw every aspect of this fight. You saw grappling. I mean, take a look at the stats here. Total strikes were almost similar to both fighters, 14 to 15, but control lies in the corner of Rajesh.
चलिए बढ़ते हैं राउंड नंबर 2 की ओर, और यहाँ पे दोनों ही फाइटर्स डिस्टेंस असेस करते हुए.
Nice outside leg kick by Manoj Yadav. He certainly had the advantage, Jason, in the striking department when he cracked him not once but twice and managed to drop him with an overhand right.
That's because he's a lot longer. He got more reach, so he can use that distance a little bit better.
Again, catches him with the left hook coming in. Manoj has got a good counter left hook.
Yeah, as soon as he comes within striking range, that's when Manoj has a chance to counter. Otherwise, he should use his reach, use his distance, and stay on the outside.
Now, Manoj doing a very good job. He measures his range with that kick, and he's throwing good feints.
Nice leg kick. Made him skip a jump there.
Very nice leg kick by Rajesh. Rajesh being a little more patient in round 2, though he's not being as well, enthusiastic as he was in the first round, for lack of a better word, Jason. He seems to be slightly calmer now in this round.
No, for sure. These guys are definitely doing a really good job now on their feet.
I'd like it if Rajesh set up that overhand right with a jab. A lot of fighters, you see a lot of newer fighters starting to throw to the body and go over the top with that overhand right. And that's what Manoj did in the first round. Another inside leg kick by Rajesh. Jason, both fighters seem a little more tentative here. Manoj is not as free with his hands. He's looking for that one shot.
They've both been hurt, guys. Let's not forget the first round was crazy.
man,
Back and forth. Both fighters are a little bit hurt. They're also tired. They had a huge energy dump.
And you can see the welt under the knee forming now with that outside leg kick from Rajesh.
बहुत ही शानदार शुरुआत MFN 16 की, और जैसे कि हमने बताया दोनों ही फाइटर्स ने MFN कंटेंडर्स में अपना कॉन्ट्रैक्ट जीता, और इससे भी अच्छी परफॉर्मेंस उन्होंने वहां दिखाई थी. और अर्जुन, अब मैं दोनों की बात करूं तो पिछली जो उनकी फाइट थी वो भी ऐसे ही गई थी. Manoj was very good with striking and Rajesh was excellent with his grappling. And the fight actually went all the 3 rounds. It was so tough for the judges to score the...
Oh, very nice right hand counter by Manoj. He's waiting for Rajesh to step in here, but Rajesh is scoring points with that leg kick.
Definitely, these guys are going back and forth, exchanging good action.
Rajesh wading in with that 1-2, but Manoj has got his range down. I'd like to see a few more leg kicks and change his levels, but he expected that coming. Good sprawl by Manoj.
Good defense to resist the takedown to stay on their feet.
And that's going to dishearten his opponent a little bit because he shot well. He had his hands wrapped around him and couldn't take him down. Manoj though is looking for that counter punch. He's waiting for him to step in. And I think he might be waiting for a little too long here because those strikes are adding up in points.
राजेश अंदर बढ़ते हुए 1-2 लगाए मनोज को.
Manoj is suddenly just, you don't see him throw a lot of strikes right now. He's seeming a little gun shy. He's waiting for the right moment.
I feel the reason he's a little gun shy because every time he gets within striking range, he gets caught.
And just as we say that, he lands a big overhand right. Oh, he cracked him with a beautiful left hook. And a right hand.
Both of these guys are swinging for the punches, a lot of power behind those shots. Good accuracy as well.
Are they talking to one another?
They're talking to each other.
They're talking to each other.
Manoj's been talking to Rajesh, asking him to come in, and he's got his right hand.
Huge left hook. Nice hook. Caught him coming in. Knocked him down. Let's see if he can
he's
finish
hurt.
it.
Oh, he's hurt.
Jason, he's hurt. He's got, I can see his eyes. His eyes are wide open.
He looks a little bit rocked.
Oh,
He
man.
definitely needs to take his time. He wants to not strike now. He should go in for the takedown and close the gap.
But man, this is what we talk about, warrior spirit. He's standing in the pocket with him.
Look at both of them trading right hands, big right hands.
He needs to go
Loaded.
for the takedown. He got to staying on his feet is not a good idea right now.
He might be gassed though. He might
Nice
be a little
strike.
tired.
No, he definitely got caught with that left hook.
Man, he got caught clean with that left hook. It cracked him and you could see his expression change. He stiffened up instantly. And right now he's a standing target in front of Manoj.
He's trying to, another counter hook of his own.
But that looked like an open palm strike.
Yeah, it kind of was actually. Man, whatever works, as long as it's legal. Man, what a chin on Rajesh. He's taken a couple of bombs in the second round.
Well, what a
Again,
man.
and again.
Wow, you guys, what an amazing fight. I'm so freaking excited to see round 3. I can't wait.
Man, you can see the audience here in City Fort is lit up with this first night. What a way to start a fantastic card, Rahul.
Both these guys, man, they've got chin made of titanium and hands made of adamantium.
Man, hands of stone indeed. You can see some of the counters. Round 2 was a good breakout for Rajesh. Landed some good strikes of his own. But towards the end of that round, we saw Manoj turn up the heat and crack him with that left and right, which got him on Fleet Street.
राउंड 2 की थोड़ी धीमी शुरुआत थी अर्जुन, बट 2-2.5 मिनट के बाद जो राउंड ने मोमेंटम पकड़ा वो देखने बनता था. दोनों ही फाइटर्स ने राइट हैंड अपना लोड करके रखा हुआ और दोनों के गार्ड्स नीचे and they both were trading shots like anything.
Now, Jason, it's going to be interesting to see what happens in round 3 because they're going to come out. I want to see who's more diminished here.
All I can say right now is wow by wow, kya baat hai, you guys. What an amazing fight.
No, it's incredible the way these guys strike. But you can see the body language. Take a look at the stats. 51 strikes for Rajesh. A lot of those.
These
were
guys
leg
are
kicks.
now heading to something called deep waters.
But the
this
power
is the third
strikes
round.
for Manoj though.
They've been taking a lot of damage, a lot of determination and willpower. Both these fighters to make it to round 3. Let's see if they can put it all on the line right here.
चलिए चलते हैं आखिरी राउंड की ओर और देखते हैं इस राउंड में ये दोनों योद्धा क्या करके दिखाते हैं. और राउंड की शुरुआत राइट हैंड से.
Very nice jab by Manoj. He's trying to set up that overhand right. Jabs to the body again. He feels he can smell it because towards the end of that second round, Jason, he saw a lot of unanswered strikes coming at Rajesh.
Definitely nice attempt on the body shot. Way to get out of the way. Good defense. Both fighters are back on their feet, trying to keep their range, work their timing, work their distance.
There's a different look in.
Okay, the ref stops now because he has his fingers open. So for the audience out there that don't know, it's illegal to poke your fingers in the opponent's eyes. It's dangerous. So keep your hands closed. That's why the ref stopped.
Or up to the ceiling.
Or up to the ceiling, yep.
But I like the fact that Manoj is throwing that jab effectively. He's going up and down with that, trying to find openings.
Blitz.
Very
That
nice.
left hook hit him again, but what a chin. Oh my God.
I don't know what it's made of.
This guy is raw iron. Iron Man right here.
Oh man.
Well, Rajesh does remind us of What are the UFC?
Nice body shot there.
Again, that
Ducks
left
under,
hook.
comes
We'll come back
away.
to that round. We'll come back to that. But Manoj now, in this round, he's looking far more comfortable on the feet. He's got his range, he's got his timing, he's moving his feet effectively, evading strikes beautifully, and setting up that right hand.
He's staying on the outside and using his range and his reach to his advantage. Nice leg kick, attempts a takedown but pulls back.
Just at the same time, so you felt that, I promise. Oh, again, beautiful right hand.
That overhand right is landing clean every time.
He's looking to, you see how he's swaying his shoulders. He lands that overhand right, he's trying to catch him with that left hook when he wades in.
Yeah, it's very deceiving when he keeps moving side to side like that. You can't really tell which side the punch is coming from.
A lot of advanced boxers use that technique as they roll. But man, Manoj is just looking sharper as this fight goes forward.
He's got the reach advantage, right? And he's made good contact a lot, scaring his opponent to come in. That's why the takedowns are not coming as often.
And leaping left hook missed. But Manoj,
Nice leg kick there, almost checked, but not really.
Manoj just controlling the pace right now. He's slowly, steadily breaking down Rajesh. And Rajesh seemingly has no response for this new form of attack. In
Yeah,
round
Rajesh definitely got rocked though, guys. Don't forget that.
Yeah,
He
yeah,
got
exactly.
rocked really badly. The fact he's still in this fight is surprising to me.
And both, he got dropped twice in round one. He got dropped twice in both the rounds.
If this was any other fighter, I'm sure this fight would have been over by now.
Yeah,
but the fact it's still going on.
Again, beautiful right hand
He's
counter.
getting desperate now with those takedowns, just running in.
Now I like the fact that how Manoj is crowding him. He's trying to force the shot out of him.
Manoj being very, very technical with this.
Yeah.
And Hook again catches him every time.
And again and again. But you're right, Jason. It's also a function of fatigue from the shots. It's also, we spoke about his frame, the muscle he's carrying. He's so heavy. He might be super powerful, but muscles need oxygen.
Oh, nice leg kick there. Unanswered leg kick.
Again, that right hand, just like a bullet, straight across every time.
Wonderful body shot.
Beautiful right to the body.
He's picking his piece. He's picking his shots. He's taking his time, slowly wearing down his opponent.
No, I think at this point he might realize that it might be a little bit of a task to get him out of there. So he's slowly looking. Man, that missed by a whisker.
The left hook is locked in on target.
60 सेकंड और इस आखिरी राउंड में राजेश को देख के थोड़ा अर्जुन मुझे योएल रोमेरो जैसी याद आ रही है
Yoel, nahi bhai. I mean,
No.
There's a little bit of Yoel
I
in him.
agree.
he's thick and he's got those big
Beautiful
abs.
knee. No, he's huge. Definitely specimen.
Very nice takedown, but it doesn't keep him down, but that will score a point. That might save him this round. Nice straight down the middle, but he smiles at that.
The control though by Manoj, the over striking, the range, slowly piecing, and the fact that he got up instantaneously from that takedown, he couldn't work with that. But at this point, I think it's damage accumulated plus fatigue.
आखिरी कुछ क्षण इस आखिरी राउंड के और 10 सेकंड और दोनों ही फाइटर्स आपस में एक दूसरे से
Fight's not over, guys. They're still doing it.
Oh, they're fighting after the bell.
Wow, what fight.
Make this a 5-round fight. I want to see another round.
What an excellent rematch. बहुत ही बढ़िया और अर्जुन जेसन मैं चाहूंगा एक और रीमैच देखना इन दोनों के बीच
Shayad say later on in their careers, but for now, it seemingly seems that they will have to move on to other opponents after this. But what a fight indeed. Top to bottom,
I
no
know what-
round disappointed because in this third and final round, we saw control by Manoj perfectly. He landed those shots, stayed at range, moved perfectly, landed beautiful left and right hooks over and over again and stifled his opponent.
Well, a really tough job for the judges to judge this bout. I don't know who's going to win it. However, as I said, and I'll say it again, I would like to see a rematch between both these fighters.
Maybe someday down the line. But look at the crowd in absolute appreciation, enjoying the action. That's only brought to you by Matrix Fight Night.
देवियों सज्जनों, आपका स्वागत है दोबारा से। ये है मैट्रिक्स फाइट नाइट 16 और हम लोग हैं लाइव दिल्ली के सिटी फोर्ट ऑडिटोरियम से।
Referee Jim Perdius calling the fighters as we get ready for the official decision. Let's go inside the cage to El Boche, Jared Kyle.
Ladies and gentlemen, after 3 rounds of action here, we go to the judges' scorecards. All 3 judges scored about 30-27 for your winner by unanimous decision, Manoj Yadav!
और आज मनोज यादव ने ये रीमैच भी जीत लिया है। बहुत ही धमाकेदार प्रो डेब्यू, मजा आ गया। बहुत ही टक्कर की फाइट थी अर्जुन, बट विजेता फाइट का केवल एक ही होता है और इस फाइट का विजेता है मनोज यादव अपनी टीम के साथ। सागर थापा, अंगद बिष्ट, जय मलियाल, क्या बात है, सारे योद्धा एक साथ।
I mean, star cast here. You can see the kind of team he has, the kind of coaches you have. I mean, Angad Bisht is a veteran in Indian MMA. He's been one of the most prolific fighters in the sport in India, and him coaching the next generation of fighters